Hello? Anybody here?
California, where the sunshine glows, a man named Fred had a thought that goes, why keep drilling straight down all day? Let's turn this whole operation sideways. Soon drill rigs everywhere would say that sideways drilling might just pay. Melfred Borzall, 80 years strong, super duper tools where the drillers belong. From the clay to the rock to the jobs worldwide, we're drilling forward with our partners by our side. Get her done, that's the Borzall way. Coffee in the truck before the break of day. Raise a cheer tonight for everyone in Melfred Borzall. We love Mondays and getting it done. Got super duper bits that chew through stone, reamers that make tough ground feel like home. When the drill head's stuck and the boss looks pale, Borzall tools usually save the day, or at least the sale. Dealers and partners across the land, helping every driller get the job in hand. From muddy boots to the shop floor crew, this whole wild ride is thanks to you. Melfred Borzall, 80 years strong, super duper tools where the drillers belong. From California roots to the world we run, we're drilling forward and getting it done. Get it done, that's the Borzall way. We even love Mondays most every day. Raise a cheer tonight for everyone at Melfred Borzall. We love Mondays and getting it done. So here's to Fred and the spark he lit, turning drilling sideways just for the heck of it. From one good idea and a little grit came the tools that built this industry bit by bit. Melfred Borzall, 80 years strong, super duper bits helping drillers along. From California sunshine to jobs worldwide, we're drilling forward with our partners by our side. Get her done, let the whole room say we love Mondays in a Borzall way. To the crews, the dealers, and everyone, here's to 80